Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Take Up YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can Shazam a song without being on the app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, you need to open the settings option, and now once you open it you'll be able to see the interface of the settings on in the screen, where you need to scroll a little bit down unless you find the control center. So once you find it, which is at the bottom of this general option, so simply tap on that control center, and now you'll be redirected to the control center section, where you can scroll a little bit down unless you find the music recognition. So once you find it, simply tap on the plus icon, and now you'll be able to add it to the control panel successfully. So to access it, what you can do is simply slide it from the top right corner to the bottom, and now you'll be able to see the Shazam icon at the bottom right corner of this screen. So to access it, simply tap on it, and yeah, you will be able to Shazam a song successfully. And this is how you can Shazam a song without being on the app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.